Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been forever since I posted anything on my channel, but I just want to let you guys know that I'm back and better than ever, and I will be posting more frequently, so stay tuned to that. If you guys would like to see how I created this beautiful, natural, pretty party look, continue watching. Bye. for today's video, and that's how I created this beautiful, natural, cute party look. I just want to throw it out there. I don't have anything on my lips. My lip is completely natural. I use the plumping lip exfoliator from Pure. I actually really love this. I used it, I put it on my lip, and then I was going to put on a lippy, but I took off with a cloth, I took off the lip plumper when I felt like it was done, and I love the way my lips look like. And this is my natural lip color, and it did kind of plump my lip a little bit, and it just looks really nice, really natural, and that's what I go for mainly. I go for mauve lippies, natural lippies. I don't go all out. So I'm probably going to be using this product so much because I absolutely love the way it made my lips look. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button, guys. Bye.